mint one down there. Yeah. Different sizes of Listerine, guys. So for keeping our breath. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Welcome back to Self-Care Official, guys, and I'm here in a supermarket. This is what it looks like now. Yeah. So here am I looking at the Listerine. Guys, you know we gotta keep that breath fresh. So I'm here looking at Listerine. And Listerine comes in different sizes, right? Here we have a small one here. And that's the price here. So I'm here in Jamaica, guys. Yes. And this is the price here in Jamaica. And you pay tax, right, plus GCT, which is the tax, right? In Jamaica, $1 is for $150. So you do the equivalent here, right? So to know how much it is in the US for this size here, Listerine, small size. Yes, very small. Here it is, 3.2 ounces. That's it right there. So and they have different sizes, right? And there's a wide variety of Listerine. For this size here, there is the price $1,664.75 plus tax, and it comes with an extra small one on the side. Here it is. Yeah, huge one it is. Here it is. That's the size. Yeah. And it comes in. There's a medium one here. Right. So comment in the comment section, guys, and let me know if you use Listerine. There it is, 24 hours cavity protection, kills 99.9% of germs, right? Yeah. So we have different colors, different sizes, right? The colors here: green, blue, purple, yellow. We have a mint one down there. Yeah. Different sizes of Listerine, guys. So for keeping our breath fresh, right, guys? There's this one here, huge one here. Here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening there. Please remember to like, share, comment, and you subscribe, guys. So write in the comment section, let me know if you use Listerine here, guys. Right, so we are in the supermarket. Progressive Grocery is the name of the supermarket here in Jamaica. More, yes. This is what the supermarket looks like at this time. Yeah. So first shopping, getting their grocery. Yeah. And this is me, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.